Hey there, Ken Reed here with SkipperBud's at the Milwaukee Boat Show, here to introduce to you the brand new Cruisers Yachts 38VTR. Cruisers has done it again with this breakthrough design, the 38VTR EC. This boat is built specifically for the adventurous that wants to travel and explore. Features of this boat include twin Mercury 300 horsepower Verados with joystick control and skyhook, a very large cockpit area and walk around design, so you can get all the way to the bow of the boat on the port side. Walking forward, there's enough room up here for 6 people easily, with its own separate entertainment center, easy access to your anchor chain, windlass and whatnot, and as you can see, lots of room. Convex windshield, so you always have a dry windshield, so to speak. We're moving back to the aft cockpit area again. Moving aft, show you some of the features of the aft cockpit. We have a beach door here on the port side. It's not deployed right now because it'd be in the way of traffic going down the aisle here. But this boat's featured with the sun pad configuration. The unique thing about this boat is that you can completely change how this boat looks. So for instance, if you didn't want this, you could have a wide open cockpit. We have a tow bar here, and there's a fishing package that's going to be available that you could put rocket launchers on and actually drink holders. We have a electric grill right here, and this does something very unique. This is actually access to storage or sleeping area. Moving forward, as you can see on the starboard side, you can get as far as the door to the cabin area here. This is all storage and also your utilities for your shore power. But integrated step here, so if you needed to get all the way forward, you can easily access that area. And as you can see, just a very large cockpit area that's fully enclosed. Both of these are sliding windows here and here. And then your access to that sleeping area or storage area is right here underneath this seat. So this is a full bench seat when it's not in the up position, and you have a dining table that will fold. So plenty of area to have dinner and whatnot with your guests. And then these seats flip-flop. And moving to the cabin. So the cabin features enough room to sleep 2 people very comfortably, and there's just a lot of volume here. I'm not the tallest guy in the world, but just under 6 feet, and I can stand no problem. Again, 2 people can sleep here. You have a refrigerator right here. Your distribution panel is right here. And if I didn't mention it, the boat is equipped with air conditioning and heat. And then we have a wet head right here. And going back up into the cockpit area. So here you can see the extended dining table, your full bench seat, and then the seats that flip-flop back and forth. I mentioned earlier that the boat's equipped with air conditioning and heat. There's not a generator on this boat. It's a lithium-ion battery system that has a 4-hour duration for your air conditioning and heat. Helm includes a single SIMRAD display right here. And of course, there's options to upgrade that if you wanted twin displays. Stereo system, nice grab handles for those rougher water situations. And then we have in-floor storage right here. And another refrigerator right there. And there you have it, the brand new Cruisers Yachts 38VTR EC, built right here in Wisconsin. For more information on this amazing boat, please contact Ken Reed at 414-614-2628. Thanks for watching.